Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the current P&L for my automated crypto trading bot that I have deployed on the Mudrex platform. And if you're not familiar with the strategy, it's my Ichimoku cloud crossing strategy. And before we dive into the numbers, I will share with you the parameters of this particular strategy. But first, if you're not familiar with Mudrex, it is a platform that allows you to create and deploy your own algo-based crypto trading strategies. And you can actually get started for free, $0. And that would allow you to deploy this strategy like I will be sharing with you today. Now, for a small investment of $16 a month, you will actually get unlimited backtesting. And if you've not seen my video about their backtesting, it's in the playlist. I suggest you check that out. The unlimited backtesting alone is worth this $16 investment. Also, you'll get a faster tick resolution and a reduced fees on your trading. And with that being said, you will receive a 1-month free trial of the premium subscription. And I will leave a link down in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll get a $25 sign-up bonus that you could also apply to the $16 a month, getting you essentially another month and a half free of the premium subscription. Now that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's take a quick look at the actual parameters of my Ichi crossing strategy. And so I basically configured this strategy using Mudrex's visual editor, where you simply click, drag, and drop boxes to create your strategy. And it's a very simple strategy based on the Ichimoku cloud compared to the Ichimoku cloud. And what I'm looking for is the conversion line crossing up through the baseline, and that would trigger a buy order in this situation. And my advanced parameters on the Ichimoku lines are not the default settings. I have changed them to 18, 52, 52, 104, and 30. These numbers are all pretty much double the default. The 30, I think, normally is 26, and I have it set for both sides. Again, this will trigger a buy order, and then if we jump over to the sell side, it's pretty much identical. It's just the conversion line is now crossing down through the baseline with the same advanced parameters. Very basic, but very effective. Now let's get to some of the numbers. Now, before we get into this month's numbers, if you missed last month's results, first of all, shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. So last month on February 2nd, 2021, the bot had overall returns of 80%, and this was over basically a 2-month period. And now we'll take a look at the 3-month results as of today, March 3rd, 2021. And I do want to point out that this bot was actually deployed on Binance US, trading the ETH USDT pair on the 1-hour tick interval. And as you can see, it's currently up 100%. And considering that February was a pretty challenging month, I'm extremely happy with almost a 20% return for the month of February on this particular strategy. Now, I am behind market returns. I would have been better off perhaps just buying and holding ETH 3 months ago. But 3 months ago, had I told you I can get you a 100% return on your money, I'm pretty sure you would have been happy with those type of returns. Now, if we scroll down quickly, you can see I deployed the bot on December 1st, 2020, and today is March 3rd, 2021. And during that 3-month period, the bot has executed 22 trades, or just about 7 trades a month. Again, if you're an action junkie, most of my strategies aren't going to satisfy you. They're going to be more focused, probably more along the lines of a sniper versus spray and pray. Now, my performance score is 8. If you've not seen my video reviewing what all these numbers mean on Mudrex, again, check out my playlist. I have a video where I break down all these numbers and what they actually mean. 8 is considered good. Obviously, it's in the green. My max drawdown was -23. I want to try to keep that around 25 or lower. My Sharpe ratio, which is a measurement of risk, was 4.6. Anything over 1 is considered acceptable. Anything over 2 is considered good. I typically shoot for 3 or higher, and we're and I'm in that range. My profit factor, unfortunately, has slipped under 3. And again, anything over 1 is considered acceptable. Anything over 2 is considered good. I prefer to be 3 or higher. And as I mentioned earlier, the market returns, had you just bought and held, you'd be up 173% on ETH, whereas my overall returns on this bot, minus fees, because you can see my gross profit was 152%, but minus fees and everything, my overall returns were 100%. And again, for the big sell-off in February, I am happy with close to a 20% profit for that month of February. Now, my winning streak has been 5 over the 3-month period. My losing streak is 3 over that 3-month period. My trades won just over 50%. My largest winning trade is 22% versus my largest losing trade is 10%. And that 10% losing trade was when the market absolutely tanked back in February, just a few weeks ago. Now, 2 other numbers that are fairly important to me, and I use them to calculate a risk versus reward ratio, is my average loss and my average profit per win. And in this case, I'm just under a 1 to 3 risk versus reward, and I'd much rather be at that 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. But again, with February, one particular trade, this negative 10%, caused this number to dip, and I'm starting to back test a stop loss with this particular strategy that would eliminate these type of sell-offs. So you might stay tuned. Again, shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that update video on this strategy. Now again, we'll scroll down. You can see this chart, and the solid purple line is my strategy versus the dotted line is the had you bought and held market returns. And again, since December, ETH has had a heck of a run, and my strategy is working to keep up, but it does need some tweaking so I can actually outperform the market. But with a 100% return over 3 months, I can't complain. Now, if we scroll down, we can look at some of the actual live trades, and there is that 10% hit that we took back in February 24th when the entire market sold off. And actually a couple days earlier, we had a warning that the market was starting to sell off, and I took another big hit. If you look through the rest of the losses on this particular bot, they're fairly small in comparison to the wins, other than that 10% hit. So by deploying a stop loss, I'm looking to correct that flaw in this strategy. But in the end, you don't have to win every battle to win the war, and I definitely think this bot is winning in the long run. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to do a quick video. I think it's important to have these update videos to show you live fire results on these strategies, and I will continue to do these updates. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button, perhaps ring that notification bell so you don't miss these videos. Also, if you like these type of videos, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to Mudrex down in the description below so you can get that $25 sign-up bonus. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.